This lady's having a meltdown. Dismal Ditzy Daisy at the front of the line is holding up traffic in order to make an illegal left turn. Instead of turning right on red with no traffic coming, she's ignoring the right turn only sign. When we eventually get a green right arrow, cross traffic over here will get a green left arrow at the same time. So you can see why making a left turn is prohibited and dangerous. And finally turns right. But dum-dum dopey Darla in the white pickup truck doesn't fully understand the situation and gets extremely angered by the honking. She yells to defend this stupid driver.
Hey, turn left!
She's trying to turn left. Yeah, lady, that's the issue. Mind your own business if you don't have all the facts. Once again, we find ourselves at the same intersection with the same problem. And once again, this turd at the front of the line is clogging things up by waiting to make the impossible left. Not even a plunger can clear this turd. He finally turns right. He's a contestant for America's Got Shit for Brains. Great, we missed the light, or I missed the light because of this idiot. Did you spot the cop? He's looking for people enjoying their California rolls, and he's about to find one. It isn't going to be me, though. It's going to be this guy, who indeed rolls the stop sign. California rolls are not so tasty when they're followed by red and blue lights, and he's about to get a talking to from the cop. Oh, that was smart. Jerk-off Jeff behind me is upset that anyone in front of him dare slow down before entering the roundabout to make sure it's clear to enter. Oh, that person behind me made no sense at all.
Wow, look at that guy.
Oh, Jesus Christ, what is this hurry? This driver is correctly waiting for the left turn pocket, but shamelessly slow-witted, short-sighted Sandy illegally drives over the painted island because she can't be bothered to wait her turn. Oh, jeez. Yep, she had the nerve to beep at the driver doing it correctly. Road markings do not exist in this dojo, do they?
No, Sensei!
Common sense does not exist in this dojo, does it?
No, Sensei!
Class, we have an idiot. Oh my gosh, you are a terrible driver. You're on the wrong side of the road. There are things in this world that we will never fully understand. This group of people is drunk, are being obnoxious, annoying, and in the way. They're getting on everyone else's nerves, and some of them are acting oddly. When you see someone trying to back up, be polite and scoot your conversation out of the way. This white Tesla is part of the group. I don't have much space to maneuver to my sides, and this Tesla is exactly where I need to be in order to turn free of the parked car to my right. I've had the reverse lights on for a while now. Hello, people. He finally moves back a little bit, but it's still tight. This seems crazy, but I needed to return back to the same spot 15 minutes later, as parking for the restaurant was very limited. Now I've got the reverse lights on again, and I've once again got cars closely parked to either side of me, and I need most of the space behind me to back up. This time I honked. Unbelievable. They're staring right at me, but standing there like a pair of dopes. Folks, you can't make this stuff up.
Chat me on.
The visibility around this corner is excellent, so there's no excuse. This guy never looked our direction either. His one brain cell took a permanent vacation.
Cause an accident. Watch out for this truck.
I'm watching them.
He just wants to get around everybody in the worst way. Watch out.
This is a 55-mile-per-hour highway. We have 2 uphill cyclists and a blind curve. None of these drivers should have gone around the cyclists until the road straightened out. Good thing nobody was coming the other way. People just need to have patience in these situations. It's better to be patient on the road than it is to be a patient in the hospital. Still can't see the road ahead, so gonna keep holding back. Now we can verify that there are no cars coming.
He didn't even look.
First, mediocre malignant Mike makes an illegal U-turn. Then he can't be bothered to signal his turn. Then he stops perpendicularly on this side street, blocking it. What on earth is he trying to do? Audition for America's Got One Brain Cell? I'll tell you what though, his driving is a nightmare on this street.
He ran it. And he's just gonna run it.
This moron flips on the high beams as he approaches. I flashed him, but he didn't take the hint. Now here's something you don't see every day. This lady thinks she needs to flip on the left turn signal for scooting over 2 inches to drive past the truck and without coming anywhere close to leaving her lane.
Turn her blinker on just to go past the truck.
Wow.
All she did was confuse me into thinking that she was turning. I guess she overfilled her blinker fluid reservoir this morning. The dash cam didn't show the whole thing, but there's a drug addict on a small bicycle goofing around in traffic, holding up the line. Crackhead Kathy's loser son, meth head Matt, thinks it's a good idea to swerve back and forth across both lanes, riding slowly and not letting anyone go by. Drugs are bad, okay? This is his brain on drugs. And more of Crackhead Kathy's relatives, getting around like a fart through ripped jeans.
Oh my god! Seriously?
But I guess if you're old as dirt and really confused, you can just stop wherever you want.
Can't stop, old dude. What is happening today?
Because the narrative persists past the point
Whoa.
of evening the score and creating the outcome that you
Idiot,
wanted.
Acura, and Camry. You're both idiots. Camry.
We end this video with a douche and a bro-dozer doing what they're best at, ignoring traffic laws, being pushy, and using their douchemobile to do whatever they want. Now that really topped the douchometer. Alright guys, there's a lot more exciting content to come, so be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up and share. Also, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.